for that additional knowledge and additional tip for our teachers. Now, another one is joining us online. May I call on Sir Adrian Mercado for his sales ideas as well.
Alright, so good morning everyone. Malinaw naman yung aking audio.
Loud and clear.
Alright. So guys, my question to you before I start, who here wants to close or to have clients, to have 48 clients in next few months? Anyone? 48 clients in next few months. For 48. So ito yung strategy that helped me close 48 new businesses in last 2 quarters. So ito yung exact script na ginawa ko and share ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya in-apply nung last quarter of 2024 and yung first quarter ng 2025. So backstory lang. So sadly, I have one client last year who recently passed away. So yung client na yun, she only paid 9 months, yet her family was able to get the claim. So what I did is I shared this story on my Facebook as a Facebook post. Then I did not stop there. So ang ginawa ko, I reviewed my old leads, sino ba yung mga kinausap ko ng months or years ago. Then na hindi ko na close. So what I did is shinare ko tong script na ito sa kanila. So you can see the screenshot. So shinare ko yan. So ang script ko is, hi client, sharing this post about one of my client who sadly passed away recently. Thankfully, her family received a substantial claim that provided them financial support during this difficult time. So I recommend we revisit your health plan. Baka gusto mong i-improve ito para just in case maging financially ready tayo if magkaroon ng serious illness. This way, you won't need to liquidate your asset and investment. So, shinare ko rin yung link ng Facebook post ko. Then, hindi ko lang na-capture sa screenshot. After that message, ang next message ko na is, the next time we meet, okay ka ba to meet online or face-to-face? So, lahat ng clients na na-meet ko since years ago, up to recent ng months lang. So, shinare ko sa lahat ng client na yan. So, ito, why is it effective? Kasi number one, is a real story that hits the heart. Kaya siya effective. Secondly, effective din siya kasi it reopens yung conversation mo with those previous client na unresponsive, yung probably baka na-reject ka, yung mga na-sin zone ka, or yung mga maybe clients mo. And lastly, by sharing this to our old leads, it does not feel that we are selling to them. They actually felt na we are caring. So dahil ganun yung naramdaman nila, they are more likely to meet us. At the same time, they are more likely to refer us. Okay? So as a result, nung ginawa ko to, nung last quarter ng 2024, nagkaroon ako ng 24 cases because of this strategy. Then itong quarter 1 ng 2025, 22 new businesses. So total 48 new clients from this one strategy lang. So ito I recommend you na gamitin niyo to rekindle yung mga previous communication nyo with your old leads. And mas maganda rin if from old leads qualify mo kung sino ba yung talagang doon na more likely kumuha. Okay, so it's simple, genuine, and effective. So now, let's say wala kayong claim story. Si Manulife, wala tayong shortage of successful claim story. So you can borrow story, post it in your Facebook, then use this script, share nyo dun sa mga old leads nyo. So yun, so that's it for me today.
Thank you very much, Ms. Ezra and Sir Adrian, for sharing